We talk. We are not eating. We are just talking. So this will be called as a wait night
Chat show.
talk show. Very good. You're learning. This is really good. You're learning. मुझे लगा चैनल ते सपोर्ट करीबी मुझे लगा चैनल नया आसे नतून आसे ना नतून आसे प्लीज सपोर्ट करीबी मरम करीबी मुझे भी मुझे भाल मानु आसे इतु पी भाल मानु आसे मुझे बिस्सी भाल मानु आसे extra love like I never had such thought like that I always had a thought like this that I will want to rob a bank one day, but then the banks are not that. When I go to SBI banks office, there was one interesting comment which I really liked. It says, "Wow, over talkative." I laughed so hard on that comment. Oh, I'll tell you one horror story.
Yeah.
Do you like horror story?
Yeah.
So, do you guys like horror story? I'll tell you one horror story. It happened in the previous airline where I was working, which I will not name it. Tomorrow I don't know, there will be some issue. So yes, there was this girl. So there were, I don't know if you must have heard that story, no? No, I'll tell you. So there were two girls. They were sharing the room like how we used to share, na, in the previous.
Yeah.
The clumsiness begins. See.
Hi everyone, welcome back to Kadzil Kitchen. Today, as you all know, I have a very special guest, Miss Lilibila Sanctam. She was on demand actually.
Again from South India. Hailing from South India. So many comments have said, people have told me I am from South India, so I am dressed up like South Indian today. So it's a proof that yes, I'm from South India.
Chalo, thank you so much for coming and joining me again. Chalo, before we eat, let's pray.
Yes, let's do that.
So today we have sticky rice. You can see that. Also we have a seaweed. And we've got noodles, kimchi noodles with bok choy, some lettuce and cucumber.
It's an open sushi. No?
Yeah, it's
you have to
open
make
sushi.
your
You
own
have to,
sushi and eat. But I want to try the rice first. I don't know, I like the rice just like that also sometimes.
Chalo, before we start, since everybody suggested her to create her own channel, so she you already created, right?
Yes, today.
Today. So please subscribe to her channel.
So my channel name would be Lilibila Sanctam, which we will, I think, she will mention in the description below also, and also on the comment down. You guys are the one who said that please come on the channel, please better watch it, okay? I'm only doing for you guys. So let's see, let's hope for the best and let's see, I don't know what will I make.
I'm sure
You guys can suggest me also what should I make actually, so I'll do the same. Hai na?
Yeah.
Ta-da!
Chalo, let's start eating.
Let's start eating.
I think
I'm really hungry actually.
We've kept it outside for long, so it's becoming like soft. See, otherwise this
Oh my god.
one is crispy actually.
I was doing this. I thought I'll go and reach the ceiling. Nice, yeah. Very good. First, I was thinking it's gonna be the spicy one, but then better that you should not be spicy, right?
Yeah. We thought of eating spicy 2x, 3x, because she can tolerate spiciness. But as you all know that I can't eat that spicy, so we prefer this.
This is much better though. I like the taste also. there was one interesting comment which I really liked. It says, "Wow, over talkative." I laughed so hard on that comment, you know, Zile. So hard. I almost died laughing, and then I thought to reply him back, but I don't know, like, you know, sometimes comments makes you feel something else. So I was thinking, like, if I reply, what will he think? So I did not, but I laughed. Yes. So there was this guy, whosoever you said that I was over talkative. Thank you so much. I laughed a lot in a good way, not in the way that I did not like your comment. I liked it, but it was really cute. See, this is what happens. Even people try to insult me, I take it as a compliment. No?
She doesn't know how to feel bad, actually. And it's a good thing.
Why do you feel bad?
Exactly.
Or make them feel bad with the chloroform. Today I told her some murder mystery story. Zili, did you get scared?
Of course. I'm so scared right now.
Wait, let me make my own Indian sushi. Or
South
you can call
Indian.
it pan or South Indian pan. I want to put this also. So nice. It looks so nice. I'm going to reach ceiling one day with this, na? Wow. See? It looks so good. Yummy.
Actually, it's so yummy.
So sorry. It's yum. Very tasty actually. I did my nails today.
She has a habit of biting her nails. You know? You're addicted.
So if you also have a habit of biting nails, please let me know, like, how to get rid of it, because I don't know. As a kid, I used to get slapped, I used to get beaten, I used to get everything with. If Americans will see my parents doing it, they will put them in jail. For sure. I mean, like, I don't know how they used to beat us that time. I think they used to feel proud, no? That they're doing some great job. They have not done any great job, because look at me. The result.
Indian parents.
But do you think you can beat your child? I think you will.
Please don't say that. I will not.
I think you will be a very strict mom. What do you think? Why am I so
course.
clumsy?
I will be.
I also thought that I'm gonna be a strict mom, but I'm not a mom anymore, so I don't know.
You'll be. Very soon.
As if I'm saying I'm a mom. I was a mom before. So yeah, why was I saying about the mom? Because today I'm going to talk about my mom. She's like a baby. She's like a kid. We are planning to go out. Okay, so then it's been so long. I've told her that we are planning to go, and I was planning to take my mom on my birthday to Hong Kong or to some other places. But I don't know where to take her now, because now there's a monkeypox going on in Hong Kong, and there are so many other places which is people are saying not to go. And Bangkok, obviously I can't take my mom to Bangkok. But now she's behaving like my girlfriend. She's like, why did you promise me then? So I don't know how to react to that. I said maybe promises are meant to be broken. That's what I wanted to say, but then
Yeah, parents, once they start aging now, they start behaving like a child.
you guys saw it, what I was trying to do, and it just fell again back on my boat. Maybe because of my nails, I'm not able to use chopstick properly. I don't know, it's coming again and again. Otherwise, maybe it's very slippery.
So you want fork?
I can eat. I bought so many at my place also. I like to eat with chopstick. I think I'm going to teach this thing to my kids. What do you think?
Yeah, same here.
है ना? Though this is not in our culture, but I will definitely teach.
Of course. Once you start eating noodles with chopstick, you can't go back
With fork,
to
na?
with fork. Yes.
The concept is also nice. See, you eat very less. That's why people are so thin and so, good with their physique over there, na?
Yeah.
I like the Japanese food. I read Ikigai. Very good. Do you read books?
Earlier, before I used to, not anymore.
Which one?
I read some. I think I forgot his name. Yeah, Indian writer.
Durjoy Datta? Chetan Bhagat?
Yes.
Who reads Chetan Bhagat?
I read. I did.
I made a face. I mean, like, no offense to Chetan Bhagat readers and no offense to people who really love Chetan Bhagat. I don't. I mean, like, I should not say this, sorry. What if tomorrow you guys become so famous, you guys will call Chetan Bhagat? There will be anti towards me. There is this girl, Lily Villa. Remove her channel. She said bad thing about me. So Chetan Bhagat I love. Only the books I don't like. The one he wrote. Do you miss Delhi? No?
I don't know. I like Nagaland more. I'll miss flying for a year, of course, but I love Nagaland more because of the food.
Oh, I remember from flying recently. I was in this flight, okay? I was coming from EWR, New York. So my crew, she's so funny. She was coming on the aisle, so we were supposed to do our snack, like the last service is snack service, which is on demand. So we keep it on a tray, a trolley, and then we move and we ask everybody. And I was working business class. So business class, people can sleep completely on, three. So there was this guy who was sleeping. And my crew, she went there, and so she was standing behind, and when the guy was like lying down, okay, imagine like this, he's lying down, and then she said, what do you want to have, sir? We have this much of thing, like in vegetarian option, non-veg option, whatever he said. So she thought he said to eat right now. So while sleeping only, the guy was sleeping, and she kept it on his chest. Can you believe? And in the galley, like in the cabin, I can't say anything to her, no?
Yeah.
So I was also thinking like, and this guy also started eating because he thought maybe this is the way, in business class they started something new that they have to eat like this. It was hilarious. I was like laughing, and I told my crew also. She was 20-year-old, so I couldn't say much. So I was telling her not to do this next time.
Again.
But then obviously there's some funny stories in the flight.
Yeah,
so many things happens. I have more of very funny feminine stories, like which I can't share obviously here. It's only to the girls. But there's so many. You can imagine, all the girls can imagine what all would have happened with me in the flight. So those things. But yes, I've missed flying. I miss flying in the sense where we used to enjoy that part, na? These days, why am I getting so many dreams? What do you think? Do you understand like meaning of dreams?
I don't know, but I think once you start overthinking, that's when you get so many dreams. When you think too much.
That's why. Ooh. I don't know. Maybe. Did you not like my South Indian outfit? She told me to change it. But I said no. Because people in your channel told me I'm from South India. So I wanted to look like a South Indian
South
girl.
Indian.
So yes.
Actual South Indian girl.
Actual South Indian girl. Though the thing is I don't know if I have a accent, which I obviously don't believe because people say, but I do had a liking towards South Indian initially, not now. I'm just saying, I don't know what am I trying to do. I want to put 2, 3, but it's coming all together. So yes, initially I used to have liking towards some South Indian guys, but now it's not there anymore. But yeah. Do you watch memes
Yeah, of course.
on Instagram? I love memes.
Same, yeah.
They're so funny sometimes. And you keep sending to your friends about the memes,
You keep sharing them.
Suggestions should be from all the people for my channel. That what should I make? No? You guys
Exactly.
can suggest. Should I make talkative channel or about my daily life? Which I don't know who's going to be interested. I heard people are saying they're in love with me. Are you really in love with me? Do you know how much it takes to love me? And for me to love you guys. Insane amount of energy.
Yeah.
You guys have to match my energy,
A lot of them comment.
Because I have a very mood swing sometimes. I get a very mood swing. I get a high and low. I'll be really high. I'll be thinking that yes, I'm feeling really good, happy. Aaj main upar, aaj main niche type feeling. And next day I'll feel like worst. And then I look at my friends around. You can see. Then I think if this person or my friends are living in this world, then I can also. I deserve better life than them. And then I get motivated like that, and then I don't think negative. But I do think negative at times, which I tell Zule. Zule is like my holy river where you can wash your sin.
In a way.
Confession box. I've told many things, which I have not told that this is secret. Because if you tell somebody that it is secret and then you tell them, then there's something the people will think that should I tell to others, But if you don't tell them it's a secret, you just tell them randomly. They never tell that secret to anyone.
I know.
That's a key to tell the secret.
Yeah.
So now you can again tell me your secret.
You have so many secrets. You should be the one sharing.
I don't have a secret, but I have a desire. There are 2, 3. Like one desire is I really want to chase someone in a red car. Like the person should be in the red car. Then I should sit randomly to somebody's car and I said I wanted to say कि भैया उस लाल गाड़ी का पीछा करो. I so want to do this. In my life I don't know when will I do it, but I will do it for sure. So suppose one day if I come and sit in your car, you understand when I'm going to say there's a red car in front of me. So Zule, buy a car, get on road so that I can fulfill my dream.
Chalo, take care.
Okay. And another dream was always, I don't know why, but I always wanted to rob a bank. Do you want it to? No.
I've never had such thought, yeah.
Such a sweet little girl. I don't know. Am I the bad one? Suddenly I felt I'm the bad one. She's like, I never had such thought like that. I always had a thought like this that I will want to rob a bank. One day, but then the banks are not that. When I go to SBI bank, so obviously those people are so lazy every time they tell us to go, and so I don't want to rob them, but I really want to rob someone.
Which HDFC bank? You go rob HDFC bank.
Why, it has more money?
I think so. That's what I believe.
So you never had a bad thought? It's only me Who's thinking the bad thought every time? No, you must be having one bad thought in life. Everybody gets a bad thought. Intrusive thought, some thought like that, no?
Of course, I do have, but I can't think of anything right now. I just want to listen to you.
Love moment. I don't get this love moment from a guy, but I don't know why girls around me become very romantic. I want guys to shower me the love like this. No?
You will get someone soon.
What?
Someone you deserve. You truly deserve.
Oh, I'll tell you one horror story.
Yeah.
Do you like horror story?
Yeah.
So, do you guys like horror story? I'll tell you one horror story. It happened in the previous airline, where I was working, which I will not name it. Tomorrow, I don't know, there will be some issue. So yes, there was this girl. So there were, I don't know if you must have heard that story, no? No, I'll tell you. So there were two girls. They were sharing the room, like how we used to share, na, in the previous airline. So the sharing room means in a layover we share a room. So if there are two girls, they share one room. So they're sharing the room, and suddenly, so there was this one girl who was a Punjabi, like proper Punjabi from Delhi. Another girl was, I don't know where was she from, but they both were not from South India, and they had a layover in Chennai. Okay, so it was in Chennai hotel, and then so once after the flight, people get tired, na? So both of them get tired. So there was one girl. She said like, I want to go out. So let's make a plan in the evening and let's go out. So this Punjabi girl, she wanted to go out. Okay, she said I want to go out. Let's go out. And she had a lot of energy like me. She said like, let's go out. So the another girl said I want to sleep. So you go out and come back and then we'll make a plan. She said okay, but she said, so should I disturb you? She said no, take the key, don't disturb me. You take the key along, and then whenever you come, you give the key and just come directly. I will not lock the room. Okay. And this girl went for a sleep. She is sleeping. Now this Punjabi girl, she went outside. After suddenly there's a knock in the door. Okay, on the door, and then this another girl, she opens, and she was little upset also because she already told the person that please don't knock the door because I'm tired. You go outside and get the key access and come inside directly. Then it's okay, it's just a roommate, so she did not make a fuss about it. She's like, okay, let her come. This Punjabi girl's come inside. Now she's not talking this time, okay? She was upset because she told the story in the flight that she had a fight with her boyfriend. So maybe this another girl thought this Punjabi girl must have had a fight with the boyfriend. So that's why she's not talking. She was sitting and she was little upset. She looks upset and she was watching TV. She did not even say that I'm turning on the TV. She turned on the TV.
Oh,
this Punjabi girl.
Achha.
Now this Punjabi girl was watching TV, and then there's another channel, like different language. So this another girl, she's thinking that why this girl is watching in Telugu or some other kind of language where she's Punjabi.
Exactly.
Everybody knows she's Punjabi.
Exactly.
So she thought maybe she understand. She did not say, but she was little upset again. She was like, and she started putting the volume on. Then she screamed at her, "Ki don't do that. I want to sleep. So put the volume down. I want to sleep." She put the volume down. She listened to her also. She put the volume down, and this girl was like, "Let me sleep. I don't care." And she put the blanket and she slept.
Achha.
After 3-4 hours again, there was a knock on the door. Okay.
Shit.
And this time when she saw that there was nobody in the room, okay? She thought maybe she must have gone inside the washroom or outside. She is telling that girl to open the door, but she did not open the door. When she opened the door, there was a Punjabi girl outside. And she was smiling and laughing. She's like, "Arey, wow, it was a great time, you know. Let's now you must have been sleeping. Let's go out and let's make some plan." Now this girl got traumatized.
Oh my god.
Because I don't know whom she was talking to, whom she was listening to, because she saw that girl completely, and she saw that the girl is also listening to her and like not replying, not talking, but what do you say, like if I'm commanding you something to do and you are following it, so it looks more alive.
Exactly.
So like that, so yeah, it was very scary, but she left the company. I know that girl's friend, like the one of my friend, it's her friend. But I don't know the rest, like whether the Punjabi girl, where is she now?
Achha.
But it's very old story. How did you not hear it?
Nee, I've never heard of that. So what happened after that? Did she operate the flight?
No. Obviously, no, she was not able to.
Oh, but it's scary, yeah.
Some hotel stories are scary.
Some
But if
hotels
you
are
are
like
inspired to
haunted.
become
Na?
a cabin crew, please remove whatever, delete everything, whatever we said. Don't watch it. Skip.
Yeah, it's not for the people who has like a faint of heart, no?
No, it happens to mostly hotels. Because mostly hotels are made on a graveyard, I guess. I don't know. Na?
That's what I heard.
Mm. Tomorrow I'm going to watch this movie 3.
Straight, no?
Maybe that's why this haunting story is coming to me, because I want to watch something like this, na? But I can't watch it on theatre. I've never watched any horror movie in theatre. Actually, not,
Same here.
na? But I want to watch one day. Like, I want to scream. I want to say, like, what is this? I don't know. But I've never done it. But I don't like horror movies somehow. But people love.
Even I don't like.
Mm.
Earlier, though, I used to watch
What?
horror.
Oh.
Like few horrors I've watched, like not few.
But I don't like the energy. It gives me that.
And
vibe.
and you get traumatized for at least a month, no? You can't come out of that. It keeps haunting you, and like especially at night.
My worst story is I don't get scared when I'm watching. It happens after 3 days. Right after
3 days?
Huh. And some moments. One crew got scared because of me. She thought I look like a grudge. Or grudge mein this ghost. Because I watched and I had a very straight hair, so I did this and did this. I was just doing this. And I don't know, somehow I was just in my own zone. So I was doing this like this only, like this. She got scared. She got scared. She's like, don't do this ever in front of me.
Maybe you looked like Jurel that time, no?
She will not leave the, space where she can call me Chudai. Not for once, no. Because you're Chudai in real life.
I don't know.
Why do our channel or this whenever we talk, we are not eating, we are just talking. So this will be called as a wait night
Chat show.
talk show. Very good. You're learning. This is really good. You're learning.
Yeah, I learned everything from you.
So I got inspired from them only to open a channel, because she is the one who is forcing me and telling me to open my channel, which I will do it very soon. So please give love to my channel, na?
Please show your love and support.
Then only I'll see who all
sure.
really loves me.
Exactly. We've received a lot of comments, like hundreds and hundreds of
But
comments.
I liked all the comments. Thank you. It was good. So I was reading, every time I was reading and I was like, oh, this is good, this is good. One person, whatever he said it, I did not get offended. I don't get offended very easily. So all the comments, I really loved it. So good. So nice.
Of course, there was no negative comments. It was all positive. Everybody loved her. And we were so happy. We have been telling her to open her own channel like way back, like from before. But she never listened to us.
I used to have one channel.
She used to, but then it was long back, right?
Long back. So that the name was That Tribal Girl, and I used to say, hi everyone, this is me, That Tribal Girl again also. The clumsiness in my blood.
It's okay.
It's okay na? Even
You
it's
take
okay.
this. I'm done.
You're done, why?
Chalo.
Love.
Shuru karo. Hi everyone.
No, so I used to say this. Hi everyone, this is me, That Tribal Girl. And then one of my friends, she was like, hey, let me look for it. What's your channel name? And I said, it's That Tribal Girl. And she looked in and she was just getting the Tribal Girl's picture. all naked and all, you know. So she's like, when did you started doing all this? Yeah.
So she has her, I'm like, your Instagram ID, she has her Instagram ID by the name That Tribal Girl. So if you want to follow her, then you can type That Tribal Girl. Such a fancy name, right?
Yes. I should put That South Indian Girl.
Yeah, that's something.
I'm also tired now.
Chalo, hope you all enjoyed with us, and if you're new to our channel, please do like,
share and subscribe to her channel, and also
to my channel.
next time please do that.
By the name
Lilibila Sangitam. It's Lilibila.
Lilibila Sanctum. Nagamisa.
मुझे लगा चैनल ते सपोर्ट करिबी मुझे लगा चैनल नया আছে নতুন আছে না নতুন আছে প্লিজ সাপোর্ট কৰিবি মৰম কৰিবি মইকে বি মই ভাল মানুহ আছে ইতু পি ভাল মানুহ আছে মই বেছি ভাল মানুহ আছে এক্সট্রা লাভ bye
Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, take care and God bless you. Bye bye.